Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a lot of time with this automation. So stick to the end. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. And then I'll tell you to the end how to get it. Okay. So pretty much what this does is goes to YouTube, then calls Apify, then it calls OpenAI or ChatGPT to summarize the transcripts, and then it puts the information into a table. I'm going to tell you why I'm doing it, and then I'm going to share with you how to put it together. All right. So in this case, I started a new YouTube channel. Most of you know, the ones that I have been following my journey, where I've been creating videos almost daily, and now I'm spacing it out just to make sure that I'm putting enough good content for you guys. So now I have like 70 something videos, and I need to summarize. I'm going to start repurposing to different social media platforms. Okay. So I have YouTube now, but if I go through every single video right now, it's going to take me a long time, and I don't have the time or patience to do that. I want to be as efficient as possible, and that's why I'm learning all these tools. Okay. So you come here to make.com, you make an account, it's for free, no charge. Okay. You go to Apify, which is also a no charge. They give you $5 for free. You can see that here. And I'm using the YouTube scraper. So you subscribe to the YouTube scraper, and that gives you the information that you need. So if I click on it, it tells me that the last run was done recently because I was just testing it right now. Okay. So, and then Airtable is a no charge, and you can actually get everything into Airtable just like the way I did it. Okay. So for this specific automation, you can actually run one at a time, or you can run all at the same time. I can actually go to the history and see. Okay. So for 76 videos, it took 34 minutes, and all I had to do is put the automation together, click play, walk away, and it did everything that I show you here on this table without me doing anything, pretty much. I mean, I did the automation, that's where you put in the time, and then you click you click start, and it's going to take all the information, put it here. It took 34 minutes. Imagine if the automation took 34 minutes, imagine me doing these manually every single video, getting the transcript, summarizing it, creating a blog post. Very painful. Okay, so that's why we do this, all right? So all I'm going to show you here is, if I go back to the automation, to the diagram here, is you're going to get this module, which you would actually come here. Let me move my head out of the way. You click here and you look for YouTube, and then watch video. That's how you start. Okay. I'm not going to go through the process just because it is super user friendly. Here, you're going to get the actual, whoops, let me move this out of the way. The actual channel that you want to scrape. So in this case, if you want to do it for yourself, great. If you want to sell this to somebody else, you can do this for any channel as long as you have the ID. So you do ID finder, you have to register yourself, and then you have to find the ID of that specific channel, and that's how you get it. Now you go to Apify, you register on this YouTube scraper. So you come here, it gives you the inputs, and right here, you're going to see JSON. You're going to get this JSON object here, and you're going to input it into this input JSON, and you're going to input this information. The start URL, this is the URL that I want to copy or to get. That should do it. In this case, I'm using the parameter because I'm going to show you it's just going to is running everything at the same time. So I just want the ID in order for it to get the transcript. Okay. This one is simply to say, hey, I want to get the results from this specific run. So if you come here and if you go to runs, it actually grabs so in this case, it'll grab the run from this storage database, and it grabs that specific run for this specific automation that I just built. Okay. For this one-time run. Okay. Then you go to ChatGPT. Everybody knows about ChatGPT, or most of you that are watching these videos most likely know what ChatGPT is. And you're going to connect through your API. You're going to select GPT-4 system. And I'm going to, let's see how I can do this. You can copy you can want to maximize this. That way you can copy paste or stop the video and copy paste it. So I'm just gonna telling it, hey, I'm gonna give it the personality. Hey, you are a pro copywriter. This is the context of the information. This is what I want you to do. This is the task that I want you to do. And here's an example of the output of the thing that I want. And this is the video information. So this is the title, which is coming from the get data set items here, right? So all you have to do, let's say for title, if you do this, where's the title? You just click on it and it is going to input it into this box, okay? So I'm just going to click cancel because I don't want to mess anything up. And I'm just going to run it for you. That way you can see it happening live, okay? So I already did the run. I'm just going to go here towards the end and I'm going to run it one more time. So I'm just going to right click. I'm going to say choose where to start. So here I'm going to input the date. In this case, I'm going to put in the 20th. I'm going to click save, that's when I posted the last video. And all I have to do here is click run. So I'm just going to click run. I'm going to show you what's going to happen. So I'm going to come here to the YouTube scraper. I'm going to go to runs because it's going to trigger a run here on this actor. And then you're going to be able to see the new record coming down here. So I'm just going to go ahead and save this change. Going to run it. So it triggered Apify. So as you can see here, starting the crawler. Then it's going to jump here to get the data set. So let's see when it finish. It's almost there. 24 seconds. All right. So it finished already. Got the result. Got the result here on with this data set ID. You came here to ChatGPT to summarize the item. You can actually see that here. And you can actually see also the records that it updated. And I'm going to show you the table. So it was this video. It was this item. It was the hashtags, the URL, and the text that I input that I showed you before. So if I go here to this table, you can see that this record was added. I'm going to delete it in a minute because I don't need it. I already added it here. But as you can see, you can actually see the summary. So dive into building a client portal with AI software, no coding needed. Learn how to create business software quickly, blah, 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 blah. So it has all the information. All you have to do is make sure, verify that it's actually accurate. You can actually modify it if you want, add whatever you need. And then once you feel that this is up to par, all you have to do is say ready to post. And the next step is to build an automation to read this table, to take a look at the rows that are ready to post and start posting automatically into social media. So if you want this automation, I want you to comment below, make, and I'll be happy to share it with you. All right. Talk to you soon. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.